Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will be discussing about the Premier League match between Aston Villa and Leeds United. Now, Aston Villa survived the drop last campaign by a narrow margin only, but this season they have made a perfect start, winning each of their 4 matches, which means they have collected all 12 points this season. They will be facing a tricky home tie against Marcelo Bielsa's Leeds United. Actually, Leeds is also a good team. They are currently struggling at a little bit, but still they are also a good team. Both the team have attacking minded strikers, and all of them have find the net this season. So clean sheet chances for this match is very less, and we predict a 2-1 victory for Aston Villa in this match. Now let us see the possible starting lineup for Aston Villa. Now, Aston Villa have used only two types of formation this season: 4-3-3 and 4-2-3-1. Uh, Leeds will be mostly following a 4-1-4-1 formation. So we think 4-2-3-1 will be the formation Aston Villa going to install in this match. Using in this match. In goalkeeper, Emiliano Martinez is almost he's a confirmed starter for this match. We think all the players we will be selecting in this match will be playing this one, at least starting this match. Only one alternate choices we have. Let's say Cash will be the right back, Minks will be center back, uh, Konsa will be another center back along with Target. So let's see, in 4-2-3-1 formation, Emiliano Martinez will be the goalkeeper, Cash will be the right back, Target will be the left back, Minks and Konsa will be the center back for players. Now in 4-2-3-1, as we explained in earlier videos, there should be two pivot midfielders. In this case, Douglas Lewis and McGinn. McGinn and Douglas Lewis. These two players are 100%. They have 100% chance to start this match. Now the other member in midfield, there is two option actually: Hurricane and Barkley. Now all of us know that Barkley is transferred from, at least on loan, he's coming from Chelsea, and he will be playing for Aston Villa this season. He's in a good form. He's in good form. He has scored in both of his 2 matches he has played for Aston Villa. So we think he has clear advantage over Hurricane. So we think that Barkley will be the one going to start the match along with Douglas Lewis and McGinn in midfielder position. Now coming to the striker, Watkins will be the confirmed starter. Watkins will be starting for Aston Villa. So these are the 11 players who will be starting the match for Aston Villa. Now let's take a look at Leeds United. Now coming to Leeds, actually Leeds have lot of injury issues. Actually their pivot player Calvin Phillips, he's actually a good player. He sustained a shoulder injury in last Monday, so he is ruled out here. Berardi and Diego Llorente, both these players are also out for the away side. Now Liam Cooper, the club captain, is actually, he has some fitness concerns, so he is listed as doubtful for this match. So the most probable lineup for 4-1 formation in Bielsa's system will be, goalkeeper will be Meslier, Elioski will be the left back, Eiling, normally he used to play in right back position. Now we think that he will be switched to center back. as a lot of their center back players are injured. Struijic, actually it's a complicated name, I don't know if I am pronouncing it right or wrong. This will be the center back, another center back, and Dallas. So this will be the 5 players in defensive section of Leeds United. Now coming to the midfield section, coach will be the pivot player. As Calvin Phillips is injured, we think that coach, actually he is a center back player, but as I said already, to fill the void left by Calvin Phillips, coach will be switched to DMF position. That is, so coach will be the one in deep midfield position. Klitsch and Harrison, these two are 100% going to start the match. Rodrigo Moreno is also going to start the match. Now in 5th position, actually there is 2 options, Helder Costa or Rafinha. Mostly Helder Costa is a much better option here. Still we think that Rafinha will be the one going to start the match, so we will be going ahead with Rafinha, and Bamford will be the attacking player. So this is their midfield and attacking players. Now coming to the demo team, actually as I said, we predict a 2-1 victory for Aston Villa. So we will be covering all their main players like Watkins, Grealish, Barkley. Now in McGinn and Trezeguet, McGinn can we will be going ahead with Trezeguet only. He is a good player actually, so we will be going ahead with Trezeguet. There is no alternate option for him actually, so we will be going ahead with Trezeguet. Along with him, we will be selecting Minks, and Konsa, along with Cash. This will be our 3 defensive defenders. We will be selecting Leeds United Mesliers as our demo team goalkeeper. We will be selecting Bamford, Klitsch, and you see there is no other option. We have only 8.5 credit left, and these 2 players will not be starting the match. Any of these players will not be starting the match, so we are picking an additional midfielder, that is coach. Sorry, additional defender, that is coach. So this is our demo team. We will be picking Barkley. He is actually captain's selection is only 3% at the time of making this video. Still we will be picking as our captain, and Bamford will be our vice captain. Actually Barkley is a very risky choice for captain. Still we will be going ahead with him. So this is our demo team for tomorrow night's 24th. Actually the match is taking place on 24th October. So this is our demo team for this particular match. Barkley as our captain, Bamford as our vice captain. Another alternate option for vice captain will be Klitsch or Trezeguet. Watkins is also a good choice for captain. Hope all of you are earning and winning in Dream 11 using our teams and tips. You can subscribe our channel for further and or future updates. Please subscribe our channel. Happy winning all. Thank you very much.